So Kajabi offer 4 main products, and in this video I'm going to walk and talk you through all of these 4, and actually so you've got a bit more of a detailed information about where you should start, which product you should choose. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi fan, and the definition of a hero is anyone that's made at least $1,000 on the Kajabi platform, and this is why I've put together this program Zero to Kajabi Hero to walk and talk you through everything you need to know to actually get from where you are today to Kajabi Hero and beyond. Before we jump into any of the training, I want to first of all make you an offer. I want to offer you my extended 30-day trial of Kajabi. That's over double the 14-day trial that's available to the public. You can get access, simply head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and create your account today. And as soon as you've done this, I will automate you a free course, Kajabi Unboxed. These are the things that you need to do immediately once you unbox your Kajabi account. And if you stick around at the end of that 30 days to become a paying member of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, I will grant you another course. It's my sales page templates. You can just download these in a theme and then upload them into your Kajabi account. Yes, this is an affiliate link, and all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. So that being said, let's dive straight on over into the training. Hope you enjoy. Now, this is where the rubber hits the road. We're actually going to look at starting to create products. So Kajabi are great for actually creating digital products. So here I am back in my partners dashboard, and all I've done is I've clicked products. It'll come up as all products. If you haven't created a product yet, don't worry. This is the page that you're going to see, and it's just going to simply say get started. So I'm just going to click on get started. So this is really important. Kajabi currently offer 4 products, 4 digital products that you can actually use to actually grow your online business with. Now, it's really important for you to understand the differences between these 4 products, because you need to choose what products you want to focus on first, second, then third. So I'm just going to go over these in this video, but in the next few videos, I'm going to be going deep into each one of these and walking and talking you through how to build these out. So the first product you'll see here is a course, an online course, a digital course, your flagship course, a mini course. Call it what you will. You can build out whatever you want in a course product. Now, this is where Kajabi originated from. Their bread and butter was courseware, building an online course platform for people to host their videos, their audios, and their downloads. So look down here then. So you have video content, you can have audio content, you can have text lessons, you can have quizzes and surveys. You can survey people as they're going through. You can have your own little membership area, and you can have exclusive downloads. That's everything you can have on a course. You can actually have live video now in courses. But if you think about, okay, a course has a definite start to finish. So if it all depends what end result you want to give your students or your clients. If it is a linear progression to go through, a course might be a good fit. Only thing with courses, they do take a bit of time from you to actually build them up front, but once you have built them, then you can sell them over and over again. That's the beauty about courses. Now, podcasts. So podcasts, you can actually have a free podcast or a monetized podcast. If you didn't know that Kajabi have everything you need to actually host your own podcast. And this is a great way to typically grow your list, grow your audience. And I mean, you can have audio content, and you can have podcast distribution here. So to your Spotify, to your Apple, you can have a podcast homepage, analytics, and you can have paid feeds as well. So if you want subscriptions to actually have a paid podcast, you can actually use that. But the majority of podcasts these days are used for this tool is to actually grow an audience and actually get them into your world. So you've got to have a think about how are you going to be creating content and what platform you want to put it out there. But just understand that Kajabi actually hosts this platform. You can actually use podcasts throughout Kajabi. You don't need anything else. Then moving on to community or community 2.0, Kajabi recently acquired Vibely to actually build out their community platform. And this is a fantastic platform if you're running any type of recurring revenue, like a paid membership. So people sign up and they pay a recurring fee to be in your community. Now, you still need quite a bit of monthly work, ongoing work from you to actually populate fresh content, host calls, answer some chat. But this could be a great feature. You could run a front-end community or a back-end community, meaning people that they could be signing up to a community first, and then you might have a bigger flagship course, or you might have a mini course at the front end, and then you could upsell them into your community. It all depends how you want to structure this. But the community can actually host live video. You can host your video recordings. It also has a mobile app, and it has meetups and challenges as well. So this is really good if you want to foster community in your platform and your business going forward. And then the fourth one is coaching. Now, this is fantastic if you just want to get up and running quickly. The coaching product is very, very different to the other three, whereas it's not retroactive, meaning whatever you change in your course, in your coaching product, it won't pre-populate your members product. So if it was a course and a community, you change it in the back end, it would show in the front end for your course members and your community members. However, a coaching is either meant for one-to-one or one-to-few. What I would do is look at the packages, all four of them, and actually play with them, get to know how they all work. But a coaching product is really great because it doesn't require that much upfront work from you. If you wanted to work with someone and say, hey, let's jump on a coaching package, I can offer you 4 calls, 6 calls for this amount, and each call is going to be bespoke to you and what challenges you have, and I'm going to be helping you through one-to-one, really, really high touch point, and you can actually probably charge the most for your coaching packages because it's access to you. So have a think about all those 4 different products. Actually get started with all 4 of them if you have more than 3 products in your account, and actually get used to them and play around with them, see how they all work. Like I said, in future videos, I'm going to be going through each of these individually, but you got to find out which one you should start with. And like I say, coaching sometimes is a good one to start with because you can get started quickly and you can charge a higher price. If you wanted to start with a course, you're going to have to actually build it out or actually get some feedback to how to build that out. And you're probably going to have to get more than one member involved. You're going to have to get multiple course members to actually make it worth your while. So hopefully that makes sense of these 4 products Kajabi offer you. Have a play around with them, build them out, and see how they work, and make a decision ultimately where you are going to start. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you got something out of it and you managed to implement something. If you haven't done already, claim your free account. That link once more, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and look for that free mini course that I'll be granting you. Check your spam if it's not there. And if you are progressing past that 30 days and you become a paying member like me, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you that second mini course, which involves the sales page templates, so you can just download them and upload them into your Kajabi account. And I look forward to seeing you on another video soon.